When we activate our faith, we tap into a reservoir of strength and resilience we never knew we had. Michael Johnson. Ever wondered what lies beyond the boundaries of your own faith? What if I told you that by exploring faith across cultures, you could unlock a world of understanding, connection, and unity? Picture this: a world where people from different faith traditions come together, not in conflict, but in curiosity and respect. A world where diversity is celebrated and bridges are built through shared values and compassion. Welcome to our journey of exploring faith across cultures. In this video, we're embarking on a quest to understand the rich tapestry of beliefs that make up our global community. Understanding diverse faith traditions isn't just about tolerance. It's about embracing the beautiful mosaic of humanity and fostering global unity. So let's dive in and discover the transformative power of exploring faith beyond our own borders. In the heart of every culture, faith is a guiding light, a source of strength, and a beacon of hope. It transcends borders, languages, and traditions, weaving its way through the fabric of humanity. Across diverse cultures, faith takes on myriad forms, yet its essence remains universal, a steadfast belief in something greater than ourselves. It shapes our beliefs, molds our values, and guides our practices, instilling in us a sense of purpose and connection to the divine. Cultural diversity is the kaleidoscope of human experience, each hue representing a unique expression of faith. From the bustling streets of Delhi to the serene temples of Kyoto, the world is alive with the vibrant tapestry of religious customs and traditions. Within these cultural contexts, faith finds its voice, echoing through sacred rituals, prayers, and ceremonies, each a testament to the rich tapestry of human spirituality. Amidst this diversity, common threads of humanity bind us together. Across continents and centuries, fundamental principles like compassion, love, and forgiveness resonate deeply within the core of every faith tradition. They serve as pillars of strength, guiding us through life's trials and tribulations, and bridging the gap between cultures and creeds. Yet, true understanding requires more than mere observation. It demands active engagement and cross-cultural exploration. By stepping outside our comfort zones and immersing ourselves in unfamiliar faith traditions, we open ourselves to new perspectives, insights, and experiences. Through this journey of discovery, we not only enrich our own lives, but also foster greater empathy, tolerance, and understanding within our communities. Despite our best intentions, stereotypes and misconceptions often cloud our perceptions of other faiths. It is only through open-mindedness and a willingness to challenge these preconceived notions that we can truly build bridges between faith communities. By engaging in honest dialogue, practicing empathy, and cultivating mutual respect, we lay the foundation for meaningful connections and lasting friendships. Cultural exchange serves as a catalyst for cross-cultural understanding, offering opportunities for collaboration, dialogue, and mutual learning. Whether through interfaith initiatives, cultural exchange programs, or grassroots movements, real-life examples abound of successful collaborations that transcend cultural divides and foster greater understanding and cooperation. In our journey of exploration, We have much to learn from the wisdom of other faith traditions. Through shared anecdotes, insights, and experiences, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of human spirituality and the common humanity that binds us together. These encounters not only enrich our own spiritual journeys, but also inspire us to embrace the beauty of cultural and religious diversity. Spiritual growth is a journey of self-discovery, a quest for deeper meaning and purpose in life. By exploring faith across cultures, we challenge our own beliefs, expand our horizons, and cultivate a greater sense of interconnectedness with the world around us. It is through this process of exploration and introspection that we experience true transformation and personal growth. At the heart of understanding lies empathy, the ability to see the world through the eyes of others and to walk in their shoes. By practicing empathy, we cultivate a deeper understanding of different belief systems and foster greater compassion and tolerance within our communities. It is through empathy that we bridge the gap between cultures and build a more inclusive and harmonious world. As we celebrate the beauty of cultural and religious diversity, we embrace the richness of human experience and the myriad ways in which faith manifests itself in our lives, from colorful festivals and sacred rituals to time-honored traditions passed down through generations. Each cultural expression serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. In unity, there is strength. By embracing diversity and celebrating our differences, we forge stronger communities and promote peace and harmony in our world. It is through unity in diversity that we build a brighter future for generations to come, a future grounded in respect, understanding, and cooperation. As global citizens, we have a responsibility to promote interfaith understanding and cooperation, grounded in respect for all faith traditions. By seeing ourselves as members of a global family, we recognize the inherent dignity and worth of every individual, regardless of their religious beliefs or cultural background. Practical steps are the building blocks of meaningful change. By providing practical tips and guidance, we empower individuals to take action and initiate conversations that promote cross-cultural understanding and cooperation. Whether through volunteer work, community outreach, or educational initiatives, each of us has the power to make a difference in our own communities and beyond. Barriers to cross-cultural understanding are formidable, but not insurmountable. By addressing common barriers, such as language and cultural differences, we pave the way for meaningful connections and mutual understanding. Through education, dialogue, and collaboration, we break down walls and build bridges that unite us in our common humanity. Education and awareness are the cornerstones of interfaith understanding. By promoting curriculum development that includes teachings on diverse faith traditions, we equip future generations with the knowledge and understanding they need to navigate our increasingly diverse world. Through education, we empower individuals to become agents of change and advocates for interfaith understanding and cooperation. Collaborative efforts are the lifeblood of interfaith dialogue. By bringing together religious leaders, educators, and community members, we create spaces for meaningful dialogue and cooperation. Through collaborative initiatives, we harness diverse faith communities, collective wisdom, and resources to address common challenges and promote mutual understanding and respect. Inspiring change begins with each of us. By sharing stories of individuals who have inspired change through their commitment to understanding and respecting diverse faith traditions, we ignite a spark of hope and possibility in others. Through their example, we are reminded of the power of compassion, empathy, and mutual respect to transform hearts and minds and build a more inclusive and peaceful world. In conclusion, our journey of exploring faith across cultures has revealed the profound beauty and significance of embracing diversity in our world. We have witnessed how faith transcends borders, languages, and traditions, uniting us in our common humanity. Through cross-cultural exploration, we have learned the importance of empathy, dialogue, and mutual respect in fostering understanding and cooperation between faith communities. As we reflect on the key takeaways from this video, let us remember the importance of celebrating cultural and religious diversity, recognizing the common threads that bind us together, and advocating for unity in diversity. Let us embrace the richness of our global community and strive to build bridges of understanding and compassion across cultural divides. I encourage each of you to embark on your own journey of exploring faith across cultures, to engage with diverse communities, and to seek out opportunities for dialogue and collaboration. Together, we can create a world where differences are celebrated, where understanding prevails, and where unity flourishes. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, please consider liking and sharing it with others who may benefit from its message. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content exploring faith, culture, and the human experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and may we continue to walk together in the spirit of unity and understanding.